when the CEO becomes the story. Is this good or bad, Steve?
When your CEO essentially is making news, it's generally not for positive reasons. And Elon Musk is obviously a true disruptor.
It would be hard to be his executive coach. I've imagined it. Like, would he really listen to me? I don't think so.
No. He would
Jen,
not listen. No, he's clearly not listening. He cannot be controlled in any way. From a PR standpoint, I don't think it's bad when your CEO makes news. They have to be consistent with your company's value